Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 73 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. You will see me introducing two stocks. One of them is a well-known stock. I have also shared with my subscribers in the past week several special situations of stocks in the resources market, and you can have access to that information if you just take a trial. If you like further information about my service, my website, please stay on. After the clip ends, I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great week, and bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Yesterday we saw quite a reversal in the currencies. The dollar attempted to rally, and the stock market came down. The question, of course, do we look here at a trend that is likely to continue for quite a while, or is that just the beginning of a correction? I'll be examining carefully quite a lot of charts in this video to try to determine that. And here's the long list of charts that I've prepared. I've got the dollar index, the euro, US dollar South African rand, Australian dollar, euro, Australian dollar, US dollar Canadian dollar, then gold, silver, platinum, palladium, light crude, Brent crude, gasoline, the euro pound, the euro book sell, US T-bond, the TLT, and then stock markets. The Dow, the S&P 500, S&P 400, the S&P 100, that's the OX. I'll also have a look at Nasdaq, and then at Exxon Mobil, that's a stock, of course, quoted in the US, quite famous. And then two other stocks, small companies. One is Glu Mobile, and the other one Cons Inc. Both of them also quoted in the US. Okay, we are coming to look at some US quoted stocks. Some of them present superb opportunities. I'm going to show you here. That's the Exxon Mobil chart, the weekly scale. In the weekly scale, I mean, if I go back as far as can go back very far here, I do not have a comprehensive wave count for you to account for the very long-term price action. I do have, however, a few specific ideas concerning the short term here, which I would like to share with you, and I think that they are really important for those who are interested in the oil market. Of course, Exxon Mobil goes up and oil goes up, but nowadays Exxon Mobil is not just oil. They also invested enormously in gas, natural gas, and they are a very important player in that sector. But of course, oil remains the dominant field, and what we see here is potentially a replay of that chart of the inverse head and shoulders I've shown you, the pattern in the case of light crude, and the same pattern appears to me to be playing here. As you can see, that's the neckline, and I think that we've got 5 legs down with a surge that can be taken as 5 legs from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an 8. That's a B. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 failure. Fifth. That's 1. That's 2. Now that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed here, or it is still ongoing, meaning that the third has not terminated. Meaning this is 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's tiny 4. Up we go, finishing the 3 in blue. Either way, I think that there is a good scope for this one to continue quite a bit higher, above 88. And you can see the pattern here, with this being 1, 2. That could, as I said, be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, third ended here, or that's 1, 2, that's 1, 2, that's 3, 4, that's 3, that's 4, and only then another surge to complete the third in blue. This market staying above 82 is a good sign, especially if it bounces up and down here. That's a good sign that I'm on the right track with calling for further higher prices in the chart, in this stock. So that is a situation you may want to investigate further or monitor it, even if you don't trade the stock, because it is a very well known stock. You could easily find the data feed or the quotes for it, and you could use this information even if you trade something else. Okay, that's a stock that I presented some months ago. I don't know how many of you remember. It is in the communications industry. The symbol is GLUU. It's traded in the US. It's a small company. The fundamental situation is that they don't have any debt. Insiders own more than 27% of the stock. They are not making a lot of profits. They have actually, currently they are not doing spectacularly well, but I think that the fundamentals are not in a terrible shape. The current ratio, for those who are familiar, current ratio is an indication of how the company is, to what extent it is able or not to pay its debt, to provide security to its lenders, etc. And the ratio is okay when it's 1 and above. The higher it goes above 1, the better it is. And in the case of this company, the current ratio that I have is 2.4. So that's not bad. That's the weekly scale, and you can see the power of the MACD here with the volume and also the inverse head and shoulders. And look at this smash. In my mind, this is going a lot higher. This is going a lot higher. I have some options on this stock, and they are not short term. The options run to June, July. I don't remember exactly the date, but I know that they are far out. And this is something you may want to consider further. You want to study it further, because if we are in a major bull run, and this company appears to have struck an extremely important supporting line here. You see that over many years. Look, it is not inconceivable that it might go at some point down the road and test 14. We are only at 4.18. There is a long way to go here. Look at the MACD. Sorry, the MACD also on the daily scale looking great. You can see the inverse head and shoulders took a long time to build up this inverse head and shoulders. We got a FIM close above. Volume is saying there is very likely further upside coming here. That's totally up to you what you want to do with this information. I think that there is a good opportunity here. Welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other, any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me the specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.